Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can download and install a Backrooms add-on in Minecraft Bedrock. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what we need to do here, we need to go to the marketplace and then you need to just write here Backrooms, okay? Then here you should see this mod here. If you don't see mod here, let me show you here. It should look like this, Backrooms add-on by XP Games. It will cost you $6 or 990 coins. So I will show you how you can set up and basically that it should work on your game with a free add-on, but it will be literally the same, okay? So after you purchase Backrooms, you will see download button, you need to press on it, then press download again and wait until download process here is done. After it's done, you can activate add-on here, or simply you can go back and add this add-on to specific world. So select the world, press pencil icon, then go to behavior packs, press available, and then you will see that particular add-on here. So you just need to press activate and then play the game and it will be in the world. If you want to create new world, you just need to press create new world, then behavior packs again, available, and look for that specific add-on and activate it. And that's pretty much it.